my name is Kenneth Hunter, and I'm the Vice President of Sales for the Americas at InHand Networks. At InHand Networks, we strongly believe in the power of collaboration and strategic partnerships. This is why we've joined forces with Rockwell Automation, the world's leading company in industrial automation and information. By working together, we are driving innovation and delivering cutting-edge solutions to meet both of our customers' needs. Through our aligned technologies and integration efforts, we provide seamless connectivity and integration between Rockwell Automation's programmable logic controllers, also known as PLCs, and InHand's IoT gateway equipment, such as our IG502, IG902. This integration enables real-time data acquisition for our customers' machines, intelligent edge processing, and secure data uploading for cloud to enable advanced analytics. Our comprehensive product portfolio and services are specifically designed and catered to the unique needs of the industrial world. We have strong focus on smart manufacturing, and our collaboration with Rockwell Automation allows us to offer our solutions that enable remote management and enhance factory efficiency. Together, we empower our customers to unlock their full potential and achieve accelerated growth. To learn more about our partnership and the solutions we offer, visit us on the partner locator.